Sasan
I, Lakshvir Sasan
of class 10th
of class 10th,
stands before you all
as
as the head boy
of this prestigious institution of which I have been
a part
a part
for the last 13 beautiful years.
I promise that
I
I will respect
and abide by the rules
and regulations of the school
in the true spirit
in the true spirit
for the glory
for the glory
and honor of my institute.
and honor of my institute.
I also pledge
That
that
I will respect the teachers
and the management
and try my best
to show discipline
of class
through my
10
academic years.
stands before you all
as the head boy
as the head boy
of this prestigious institution
of this prestigious institution
of which I have been
of which I have been
a part for the last
a part for the last
13 beautiful years.
13 beautiful years.
I promise that
I promise that
I will respect
I will respect,
and abide by the rules
abide by the rules
and regulations of the school
and regulations of the school
in the true spirit of the glory
in the two spirits of the glory
and honor of my institute.
and honor of my institute.
I also pledge
I also pledge
that I will respect the teachers
that I will respect the teachers
and the management
and the management
and try my best to show
and try my best to show
discipline through my academic years.
discipline through my academic year.
I, Azia Gosar,
I, Azia Kosar
of class 10,
of class 10th,
before you all
as the head girl of this
prestigious
institution
of which
I have been
a part for the
last 10 beautiful years.
I am
I am
and shall be grateful to this opportunity
and commit myself
to tirelessly
fulfill
each and every responsibility
each and every responsibility
bestowed to me
bestowed to me